Imagine someone gives you 1 hour podcast and says, hey, find the best moment and turn it into TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You could potentially get dozens of pieces of content from it. That's basically what clipping is all about. If you are new here, I'm Shadrach and I create content about AI, SaaS, automation, and emerging technology. Recently, I've been researching about the growing trend around content rewards and clipping. Now, before we talk about how to make money from it, we need to understand simple thing. What exactly is a clipper? Clipping is the process of taking a long form video and turning the most interesting part into a short form content. The long form content could be a webinar, a seminar, live stream, YouTube videos, or even educational videos. Imagine someone uploads 1 hour podcast. Inside that 1 hour video, you could find 10, 20, or even more moments that people will find it interesting. A clipper finds these moments and turns it into a short form video. So what does a clipper actually do? The work of a clipper is to find good moments. It's not about just creating 30 seconds from a long video. No, it's about finding an interesting moment. It could be a popular opinion. It could be some tips, funny moments, or even something that can create curiosity. Now, when you find these good moments, you are good to go. But here's where beginners get it wrong. They think when they get the good moment, automatically their video will go viral. No. That is not how it works. You need a strong opening, good pacing, readable captions, and most importantly, a reason for someone to keep watching. And remember, you are competing with hundreds of videos on the person's screen, right? So you just have few seconds to earn their attention. And this is where things get really interesting. You don't have to do everything manually. AI can help with things like transcribing videos, finding the movements in the videos, generating captions, writing hooks, and reframing videos. So instead of watch, find the interesting moment, edit, caption, and export, your workflow can become upload. The AI will analyze the videos and suggest important moment or interesting moment. Then you will just have to cause little changes and export. And eventually, some part of the entire process can be automated. Now, there is something I really need to clarify. Clipping does not mean go and pick someone else's content and reuse it. No, that's how it works. You need a proper permission and authorization to use someone's content. And if you have joined a campaign, make sure you read the rules well. Right? Just because the video is public does not mean you can use it for your own self. Right? Make sure you have the proper authorization, permission to use that content. Clipping is really, really interesting and people are making tons of money with it. But remember, understanding it is different from knowing how to do it properly. On this channel, I'm going to dive more deeper about clipping, content rewards, and Daniel strategy. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, leave your comment at the comment section, and let's meet in the next video. Those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server that can send 20k of emails per day, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Let's meet in the next video. Bye-bye.